Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems or issues that you have on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix server error on FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about FIFA Mobile. Then in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix your server error on FIFA Mobile. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.